This lab streams live video to QGC, opening a Pi terminal and connecting the camera to the Pi. Then an empty script file is created. Package lists refresh, then OpenCV installs from APT. NumPy is pinned below version 2 alongside it. The packaged OpenCV was built against the older NumPy, and pairing it with the newer release breaks imports outright. Then GStreamer. The tools package provides the launch command used shortly, while good, bad, and ugly are plugin sets. Ugly matters most here. It holds the H.264 encoder. The first script only measures frame rate. It opens the camera, requests 640 wide at 30 frames per second, then counts frames over 5-second windows and prints the result. Worth confirming the camera keeps up before streaming. Running it reports the rate the camera actually sustains. On the laptop, hostname gives the address the stream needs. This pipeline pulls MJPEG from the camera, decodes it, re-encodes to H.264 tuned for low latency, packetizes it, and sends it to that address on port 5600. QGC has to be told to listen by setting its video source to that stream. Starting it, the feed appears in QGC's corner. That's the whole pipeline working, camera to ground station with no Python involved. Now the same thing through OpenCV at lower resolution since Python's in the loop now. It reads from one pipeline and writes to another, so every frame passes through Python on the way. That's what allows drawing on them, a running timestamp, and a crosshair marking frame center. Both now appear live in the stream QGC receives.